Yellow creatives, welcome back to my channel, the Creative Cash Lab. My name is Tapiwa Temere, and on this channel we learn, create, hustle and earn. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for subscribing on my channel, and to those who have not yet subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you also be notified first. On today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to make promotional flyers. For promotional flyers, we use them for any kind of business. It's either to attract new customers or to appreciate the already existing customers. So I'm going to be teaching you how to create a promotional flyer. Let's go to our lesson and learn. Pixellab. This is the Pixellab app. When you're in Pixellab, make sure you have already downloaded the pictures that you want to use. If it's about food, you have to download food pictures from Google. Make sure you use high definition, that they come out in good quality. If it's clothing, just go and do the same. So I'm going to be doing the food flyer. So now let me import my pictures that I'm going to be using. Picture. I'm also going to import my pizza picture. You see all that my pictures are in high definition. Now I'm going to import my drink. We need a Coca-Cola here, a Coca-Cola bottle. And then I have to minimize it and also put it where it's supposed to go, right? Like this. Now I'm going to select a shape. I'll go to shapes. I need a circle. I need to color it black. Like this. The black color is not doing well for me, so let me try to change it to red. Red is better. Now I need to start writing inside this red circle. I need to put my text there for the 50% off, because our promo is going to be for 50% off. I say text, new text, edit, let's say 50% off, 50% off, like this. Done. Let's put it in that circle. 50% off, we have to color it white so that it can be so bold and people can easily see. Now let's tell our customers what our promotion is all about. We go to text. Mine, I'm going to say mid-month madness. Mid-month madness is what I'm going to write here. Mid-month madness, I'm going to curve it and put a font that is going to make it so visible. So now let me bend it, yeah, like this, and then I have to position it well. Now I'm going to put a new shape down here. Let's go and select shapes. I will take this rectangle. I have to put it in color black or red. I will just choose which one I see. Let's go, let's do. So I have chosen red. It's much better than black. I have to put some new text and then I write all the details that we need for people to know where to find us when they see this flyer. Let's write order now in big caps. Order now. Let's put our phone number. When we do like this, it means our flyer is now done. Our promotional flyer, as you can see, it looks so lovely. And then we have to save it. To save it, we go here and then we say save as project. We write the name of our project, promotional flyer. After saving it as a project, and then we save as image. On quality, we have to save as ultra. That's the highest quality that we have. Ultra. Save to gallery. Now we are done. So our promo flyer is done and it's even looking lovely. We can now start to distribute it to all our contacts, even our customers. We can even print it out so that we can circulate the flyers. This is the end of today's lesson. If you have any questions regarding the lesson that we had, drop them in the comment section. I'll gladly come and help you. And also, please do your own and then you come back with it so that we can see if we are going anywhere. Watch out for the next video. Thank you.